Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Now we can going to discuss about the product single phase multi-cell AC to DC converter with optimized controller and passive filter parameters. Now we can going to discuss about the abstract of our product. The paper presents a novel single phase multi-cell converter for AC to DC power conversion, which is formed by series connections of several full bridge converter stage through the passive components. The proposed topology employs a simple control scheme based on carry based pulse width modulation of technique. The detailed procedure for passive filter components are analyzed and discussed. An effective optimization method based on differential evolution algorithm utilizes the optimization of filter parameters, considering the filter structure of active damping introduced in control scheme improve the stability of the overall system, which later be verified by experiments. The symmetric design of approach the controller parameters is also highlighted and focusing the specific set of goals. Now we can discuss the flow diagram of a product. First of all, we can see the AC grid. AC grid is nothing but to energy storage system and energy utility system. The AC grid is one of the enable energy source system, and for non-enable energy system also to use the grid of the AC converting systems. It will send to the grid voltage and grid current to inductance circuit. Inductance circuit is nothing but to some inductance value gives to the current and voltage. It will current and voltages are some linear and variations to occur. Next we can see about the AC to DC converter. In the AC to DC converter to see an AC supply to convert into DC. But particularly the number of converters in our paper is less than 4. But we can use the proposed system for two number of AC to DC converter system used. The control system of control signals of the control signal is nothing but use the pulse width modulation controller system. This controller system to use the implementation of our control system of switching characteristics of the IGBTs MOSFET such as our switching characteristics. Next we can see about the non-linear load. Non-linear load is nothing but to resistance and inductance and capacitance. These three variations to declare the different types of parameters to use the some load variations to change the parameters also converted into our relevant outputs. Next we can see about the running procedure of our product. The proposed system implementation done in MATLAB version 2013A. First you open a MATLAB file window and create a new model file. After creating elements as per the circuit diagram, the arranging elements output waveform will be connected. The corresponding scopes are connected in the circuit diagrams. First we can see about the AC voltage. AC input voltage and 200 amplitude of the input voltage. Next we can AC current. We can 10 amplitude of the AC current. This is a filter current of the passive filter. This is a phase locked loop of the some triangular wave of this waveform. Likely is slightly to change the triangular waveform. Next we can see the 4 switches to simultaneously to turn on to turn off the process of the AC to DC converter to switching characteristics of the switching pulses.